Geometric principle of bisecting the isosceles triangle. Draw your triangle off to the side. We've got the radius, which is 3. We've got the angle that got cut in half, so it is how much now?
1.5?
60 degrees.
Oh. No, 120.
What are we trying to find?
Opposite.
Trying to find the opposite. The opposite gives us half of the base. So you're going to follow through those steps again. Opposite.
Sine of the angle.
Sine of the angle times hypotenuse. Sine 60 times 3.
2.5981.
And the base is equal to 2 times your opposite.
So we times that answer by 2?
Yeah.
5.1962.
That's it. So you just got to visualize what kind of triangle you are creating.
Because if it's not,
If it's a right angle, there's nothing else you have to do. You can do a trig right away. But if it's an isosceles triangle, you've got to create a right angle triangle. So you've got to cut it in half. Right?
and then look for the opposite. And if you're not looking for the opposite, what if
In these examples, we're looking for opposite.
yeah,
But not always looking for
like
opposite.
if it's adjacent, then we're gonna.
So let me see your homework packet. So in your homework packet, you've got 2 ball circles. Draw a line from the center to the center of the hole. That gives you a radius. The radius is the same every time, so that's going to create an isosceles triangle, just like the examples we just did. Right? But have a look at the third question. What kind of part do you have?
It's like a V block or
It's a
something.
V block. So when you were in module 3, how did you check your V block? When you were surface grinding, how did you check it?
We use the granite table with the height gauge. Oh, those he gave us
You put a
that.
pin in there,
Yeah.
and you run the indicator across the top, flipped over, and checked it the other way. What were you checking for?
Run out or
You're trying to check if the V was in the middle of your part. If it's not in the middle of the part, it's not symmetrical. Right?
oh, because the V block is at a set.
Symmetrical means 2 sides are the same. Hence, you might have an isosceles triangle. Right? So it's telling you the distance from here to here is the same as the distance here to here. So these 2 sides should be the same length. So if we create this line across the top, what kind of triangle do we have?
Isosceles.
An isosceles triangle.
And that's the base on the top.
What do we know about it?
We know the 71 degrees, 40 minutes.
So an angle, that just moved.
Yeah.
Got an angle, we can figure out the base. We can figure out the base. 2.532 minus 618 2 times. So what does that give you? One inch, 29.
2,960. Yeah. 1H2. I don't know.
So we've got the base. We've got the vertex angle. What is the question asking us to find?
The height.
How deep that V is in the block. So what do we know about this line?
We're gonna split it into two.
What else do you know about it?
Parallel.
Parallel. They're both the same line. So that is figured out, you've got X. So what happened to your angle? You cut it in half. So you've got 35 degrees, 50 minutes. What happened to your base? Cut in half. So what is 1.296 divided by 2?
648.
It's gonna create that.
So we've got the angle, we've got the opposite. We're trying to figure out which side.
Height.
Sure?
Adjacent.
Trying to figure out the adjacent. So we're not always trying to find opposite.
Yeah. So this one won't be sine of the angle times
Sine.
cosine.
Cosine either.
No? Tangent.
There's only one left, so it has to be tangent. The next homework problem. Is more about visualizing a triangle than it is about an isosceles triangle. Right? Remember, isosceles triangles have to have two equal angles and two equal sides.
Go like that.
So this problem, we're trying to find what is the angle from this surface to this surface.
So you draw a line, an imaginary line.
So to create your triangle, you've got to create the auxiliary line that doesn't exist, but we know it's there to create your triangle. If we take this vertical dimension and we subtract these two numbers, we can get this side, which is the opposite.
Oh.
4.814 minus this and minus this, we can get that side. If you take 7.528 and you minus 5.05, you can get the distance from here to here. Is that the full length of the side of your triangle? Why not? You've got to add 1.477 to get the full amount. So now you've got two sides on your triangle. You can figure out the angle. So your first few problems are about isosceles triangles. Your next couple of problems, or your next 3 problems about visualizing triangles or using geometric principles.
There's
A lot less math questions this week,
Thank God.
which means what?
More blueprint.
Same amount of blueprint,
Oh, okay.
slightly harder, and each question is worth more points.
Oh, sweet.
So I think there's 7 problems total. Each one is worth almost 15%. Next one up drops your grade pretty quickly. So take a look at them over the weekend so you can ask questions on Monday. Don't just turn in blank homework. You're not learning anything, and you are going to struggle in Module 5. So, any questions about today's math?
So like for this problem, we will use the shift and
If you're trying to find an angle, you have to use the shift key for the inverse function.
You just got to determine if you're going to use.
Sine, cosine, or tangent.
Right. No, there's no division though. We don't do any like with the other ones. Sometimes we would divide like opposite over. On these we don't because they're different types of triangles. So it's just I mean like straight across, like sine of the angle times or cosine of the angle or tangent of the angle. So.
Trying to find an angle, you've got to divide.
Okay.
They all involve division.
and then do we round the equals?
So any angles, you're going to round to the nearest second. Any sides, you're going to round to 4 decimal places. And that is on the front of your homework packet, in case you forget. Remember, read the instructions. Round all sides to 4 decimal places. Round your angles to the nearest second. And show all your work. If all you do is copy someone's answer, you're not going to get full credit.
You're not learning anything.
So if you haven't already, our priority is to get that first operation of the clamps completed. We need to get that done as soon as possible. That means we can move on to the second operation and get them completed, and you can get them out of your toolbox.
I think everybody did them.
Did everyone do them? We're still going to do the clamps. Right.
I
Suggest you
got your
split up
stuff,
into
dude.
pairs, set the machine up together.
I grabbed
Should be
your
able to
stuff.
get them done today.
I grabbed your stuff.
One of you set the offsets, one of you set the tools.
When you were at the machine, you have some.
Save you a lot of time.